Hello friends, all of you are very much welcome. Friends, in today's video I will tell you how you can download and install WhatsApp application on your computer very easily. In today's video I will tell you everything well. How can you install WhatsApp application on your computer or laptop? If you want to know, then please watch the video completely, then let's start. First of all, you have to open any browser. Then you have to search WhatsApp. After that you have to click on the previous link. This is the official website of WhatsApp. Now the official website of WhatsApp has been opened in front of you. Now you are getting the download option above. Click on it. After that you have to click on download for Windows. If you use Mac, then you will have to click on download for Mac here. Now WhatsApp has started downloading, let it be downloaded. I have already downloaded. You have to click on it after downloading, then WhatsApp will be installed on your computer or laptop. I have already installed as you looking at the screen. Now WhatsApp has been installed in your computer. Now you have to double click on WhatsApp and open it. Now you have to open WhatsApp on your mobile, then you have to click on the three dot. After that you have to click on the link device option. Click on device A link. Now you have to open WhatsApp on your computer and scan this QR code. Now WhatsApp is fully open in your computer or laptop. Now you can run your WhatsApp from here. I hope you have understood everything very well. If you have any kind of problem then you can ask by commenting below. I will definitely reply to your comment. Hope you have liked this video. If you liked this video, if you come please like the video and share this video with your friends as much as possible. And if you have not subscribed our channel yet, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that whenever we get any new, if you put the video, first of all you get its notification. Thank you all very much for watching the video. Have a nice day.